Morning, guys. I'm getting ready to put on some harvest soup here this morning. It's definitely fall. The weather has changed. It is cool this morning. Not that that's a bad thing. I wanted to just give you a shout quick because this morning at 11 a.m. on Happy Trails Hiking's channel, she's interviewing me for her Foodie Friday show. Every Friday on her channel is Foodie Friday. It's Friday. I'm the foodie. So I'm going to give the link here down below quick and check her out and come visit us. She's doing a premiere, so I'll be in the chat. I can answer questions and stuff if any of you have them, and show her some love and support. She does a lifestyle show on her channel besides all their traveling to parks and around the country and reviews and sharing of that. She does a show Monday through Friday, different theme each day. Basically on different aspects of lifestyle. Foodie Friday is just one aspect, but they cover travel and health and fitness, lifestyle organization. It's a really good show. Try and catch it. They've had some really cool guests on that were just really interesting. So come see us 11 a.m. this morning Eastern Standard Time on Happy Trails Hiking, and I hope to see you there.